Hello, my dear gardeners. Today I want to share with you my marvelous, wonderful experience which I had yesterday. And what might you ask happened yesterday? Well, my master gardening program with Yukon University began. And yesterday I had my first visit to the arboretum where my classes are going to be held. And I must say that it was marvelous. It was even more than I expected. The fact that our instructors told us that you're going to be overloaded with information and you might be stressed about it, I actually like it because, me being a gardener without official education, I would pick resources here and there, read books, learn from other gardeners. But here I have this marvelous, wonderful opportunity to learn everything structurally, to know everything well, and I welcome that knowledge. For many years I wanted to become a master gardener, but life takes its time, and kids and responsibilities, career. So I'm very glad that now, this year, 2023, I can do that, and here in this video I'm sharing with you all the little details, wonderful details, at the beginning of this master gardening program. And hopefully, if you would like to look into it, you can rely on my feedback. So, in case you don't know, what is master gardening program? The program started in 1978. It is the scientific-based knowledge which we're going to learn, which I'm very happy about. And we're going to finish this program. So right now is January. We're going to finish officially. We will receive our official certificates in October. So it's a long way to go. In case you're wondering how expensive this program is, it is not. And why is that? Because a lot of parts of the program are done by volunteers. And that's a beautiful thing about gardening folks. When I see another gardener, we are almost becoming friends instantaneously. We are happy to chat about this plant and that, and we can spend hours talking, walking in each other's gardens, right? So I think the same is going to happen here. There were approximately, I would say, 24, 25 people yesterday, and all of them are ardent gardeners, and all of them are eager to learn and love plants. You can feel it right away. But the most important thing, I felt that we are helped there by a lot of volunteers, master gardeners who went through this program many years ago, and now they are volunteering their hours to help us who are just starting this journey. So here I have this wonderful badge, which I'm very proud of. It says Olga Carmody, 2023 Master Gardener Intern. Yay, I did it. And the fun thing about the whole program, at the end, it was like a cherry on the cake. There was a table with free garden books, which the volunteers brought for us, the interns, to enjoy. So, which book I found there? You wouldn't believe it. Look at this. This is Creating Bentwood Garden Trellises. If you don't know me, if you landed on this video for the first time, I love all sorts of twig creations. And just look at this book. This book was placed specifically for me there. So that was a lovely thing volunteers did for us. But we were warned by our instructors that the learning process is going to be steep, and I can see that. I kind of quietly inquired, are we going to be going deep into all the Latin names of plants? Yes, we will. And I was told that don't worry about it, it's not as scary as it looks. But generally, for me, the process looks very vigorous, very scientific based, and it looks like all the instructors want to put as much more knowledge into us as possible. There would be a lot of homework. We have to do 18 field projects, and it's going to be interesting. It's going to require a lot of my time. So in case you are thinking about becoming a master gardener, knows that it is serious business, and hopefully in October I would be a serious master gardener. By the way, look at my amaryllis. Isn't he pretty? Look at that beautiful color. I really don't like that deep red on roses, but amaryllis in this color is fanciful. I don't know the name of this particular amaryllis. It came with just the generic name, amaryllis, and that's it. But I wanted to show you. I brought him here from another room just to show you how lovely it is opening its flowers. The classes are held once a week. I chose Mondays, and there are several locations where you can apply, and depending on the location there would be a class at different time of the week. And classes are really at the beginning of the day from 9 to 1 with optional extra volunteer section around till 2 o'clock, 2:30, 3 o'clock. So in case you're working, keep in mind that that's a commitment. And we are going to run classes all the way, I believe, through April. And then we have to have volunteer hours, office hours. We are going to work with instructors on the field. So it's going to be exciting. I went to college many, many years ago, and now to be back to the learning bench is very refreshing, and I look forward to all that beautiful knowledge which I'm going to receive through this program. There was one young gardener who is in this program who recognized me from this YouTube channel. She was very happy and bubbly, loving plants and clematis. By the way, hello, in case she's watching me. So we had a lovely chat. And again, all those people are gardeners who are happy to chat about plants. And I look forward to spend all this wonderful time with folks who are, you know, looking forward to the same thing I'm looking forward, and studying the same stuff I'm studying. I will be sharing with you everything what's happening on the way. And now, January, soon, the spring will be around the corner. It's not around the corner yet, but it's going to be. I look forward to garden with you again this spring. Enjoy your day, and I will see you next time. Happy gardening!